welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. On today's video I'm going to show you how to answer Quora questions. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Quora app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen you can see options like home, following, answer, spaces and notification. You can find the questions on the home, on the search bar, or by tapping on the answer option. I'm gonna show you by answering the question from my screen. Now all you have to do is go ahead and open the question, then tap on the question from the top of the screen. Then you can see there's an option saying answer right below the question. Just tap on that. Now all you have to do is go ahead, write your answer, tap on post from the top right corner. Then in couple seconds on the screen you can see you have to go ahead and tap on done from the top right corner. You can also edit your answer, which is right beside the done option. Review your answer, then tap on done. And guys, that's it. That's how you answer Quora questions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.